how to make a hotel booking website with WordPress. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to make a hotel booking website with WordPress. So first, you just have to simply log in or open your WordPress account, and then you have to scroll down here and look for plugins. So you're going to add two elements here. First is you're going to type Astra, and you have to click this one. Okay, you have to start our templates, this one, but you have to upgrade your plan in order for you to add this to your plugin. Also, another one, you have to add Elementor. So go to plugins again and then search for Elementor and then press or enter. Then you should add this Elementor right here. Same as this one. Okay, so you're going to look for this kind of Elementor and then add this to your plugin so that it would be easier for you to add fields or elements to your booking website. Of course, using WordPress. So once you have added the starter template, Astra, and you have added this Elementor to your plugin or to your WordPress, you can now go back to your dashboard and go to your plugins to see both of this. And then you can now start making a hotel booking website with WordPress. So again, you have to add Astra and Elementor like this. So once both of these are added to your plugins, what you're going to do first is you have to go to Elementor, open this one, and you should see this. Here you can start searching for your website's template. So for example, if you're looking for hotel, something like that, or if you're looking for a restaurant or whatever it is, that you can search it right here, then there will be tons of templates that you can use for your website. But specifically, we're looking for hotel websites or hotel booking website to be exact. You should type it right here and then search. Then WordPress will show you tons of templates for that for your website. But these templates are not for free. I mean, not all are for free. You have to look for something that is for free if you're using the basic version. But if you're not using the basic version and you're allowed to use this, then you can select from any of this booking template for your website. So let's just say if you have clicked this one right here, for example, this is under Elementor. So click this one. So for example, you chose this template, travel and tourism. You can add a logo here. So if you have your own logo, you have your hotel logo, then you can add it right here. You just have to upload that file, that photo from your computer. But if you don't have a logo, then it's okay. You can upload that one later. You can skip and continue. And you can also change the logo with if you want. So once you're done uploading your logo, you can now change colors for your template to make your template or website more captivating, enticing. You can change colors here. Also, aside from that, you can also change fonts. As you can see, if you scroll down below, there are tons of fonts right here. So pick the font that you want. Once you're done adding, changing everything here, then you can now proceed. So as you can see, just one step away. So it will delete previously imported sites, import customizer settings, import widget, import content, submit, and build my website. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is installing required themes, plugins, forms, etc. Now once done, you can now see the result. Now, if you want to edit the page, edit with Elementor, then you can just simply go up here and then tap, for example, if you want to edit Elementor, then you can tap this or edit page. Now, if you want to add more option to your booking website, you can add another plugin, and this is what we call Easy Appointment. So you have to go to the search icon and then add this to your plugin. So again, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to get this. As you can see, there are tons of services it offers, options, and it's good for your hotel booking website. As you can see, if you have added this easy appointments to your plugin to your WordPress, you will see below the options. For example, if you want to add and edit locations, if you want to add and edit services, if you want to add employees here, add their details, connections. Also, if you want to add tools, vacation reports, old reports, new, and so on. So basically, this is the advantage of adding these easy appointments to your plugin, especially if you're planning to make a hotel booking website with WordPress. And don't worry if you're using the upgraded version of WordPress, you can add plugins like this. Also, if you want to add plugins for calendar booking, you can just go to plugin and add this one. Booking package appointment for room services, you can go to plugin and look for hotel booking room. Once you have added this plugin to your WordPress, then you will see this option such as rooms. You can see here services related to calendar, to booking, to anything. For example, if I tap this rooms right here, basically, you can add room details here, add media, add form. If you tap this main settings, you can add maximum people for each room, room size, color, text preview, branch if you have other branches, and so on. So adding these plugins, you can give more choices and options to your clients, and you can have also the full control of your website. Also, you can add here like quantity, room quantity, so that clients and customers will know how many people can avail per room. Also, minimum booking per day. So that's it. Then you can add more options aside from this one. Now, if you want to look for more plugins, you just have to go back to your plugins marketplace. For example, if you type hotel, then you can see here plugins for hotel booking and vacation, rental plugin, set of tools, more services. If you don't have any idea what are the services you want to add, especially if you want to create a hotel booking website, then just go to plugins and it will give you ideas on what are the options and services you're going to use for your hotel booking website. But as you can see here, this one is plan upgrade. So again, if you want to use any of this plugin here, then you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to add this plugins. So what are the advantages of adding plugins to your hotel booking website? So adding plugins to a WordPress booking website provides numerous advantages, enabling smooth functionality, automation, and a user-friendly experience for both owners and customers. As you can see, you will have the full control, you will have the idea, and you also give your customers and clients more option. Okay, so as a conclusion or summary, it's a good thing if you create a booking website using WordPress because of this plugins right here. When it comes to payment, how to handle booking payments, something like that, there's also plugin for that here. So you must be very specific. For example, hotel booking payment, then you will see your plugins that will help you how to manage your booking website payments. So again, this is a simple and easy guide on how to make a hotel booking website with WordPress. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.